Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing vibrant waves of red, green, and purple stretching across the horizon, visible even in regions where the aurora was never meant to be seen. This wasn't just a spectacle, it was a warning. On September 1, 1859, astronomer Richard Carrington was observing the sun when he noticed an enormous bright flash, a solar flare unlike any recorded before. Hours later, a powerful geomagnetic storm slammed into Earth. The effects were immediate. Across North America and Europe, telegraph operators reported electric shocks, telegraph lines caught fire, and messages were transmitted without any power source, purely from the electrical energy in the air. The aurora borealis, normally restricted to the poles, was visible as far south as the Caribbean. Meanwhile, in Australia, the night sky glowed with brilliant hues of crimson. Fast forward to today, where our world is powered by electricity, satellites, and digital communications. What if a storm of this magnitude struck now? Scientists estimate that a Carrington-level event could send a wave of charged particles hurtling toward Earth, capable of disrupting technology on a global scale. Our satellite network, including GPS, weather monitoring, and communication systems, could be rendered useless. Planes, ships, and even financial markets would be thrown into chaos. Electric grids would suffer catastrophic damage, potentially leaving entire continents without power for weeks, or even months. Beyond Earth, astronauts aboard the International Space Station and future Mars-bound missions could face deadly levels of radiation exposure. The good news? We are better prepared than ever. Space agencies like NASA and ESA monitor solar activity in real time, while governments are developing protocols to shut down power grids in advance of an incoming solar storm. Advancements in space weather prediction and engineering could help minimize the impact. But the question remains, are we truly ready for the next great solar storm? The sun gives us life, but it also holds the power to change civilization in an instant. The Carrington event was a wake-up call. And the next solar storm is not a question of if, but when. So, how prepared are we?